Hello everyone, am I audible? Show your thumbs up if you all can hear me. Thumbs up with a badi wali smile. We all know this smile is magical. We never start our work without smile. Yes, and I want to welcome many, I can see so many new faces today in my class. I want to welcome all new students, new children today. And those who are attending our class for the first time, they would definitely be having this question that we have not done this part, this drawing part, है ना? Because we completed this drawing previous class. So my dear children, I want to clear this doubt. Your classes will actually get started from next class when we will be starting with new artwork, okay? So as you are today with us, don't worry, you be with us, you see how we are completing doodle art. And afterwards, with help of recorded session of today's class and previous class when we learn this drawing, you can complete this artwork also. This ways you will get benefit of 2 extra classes, okay? But actually your classes will be scheduled from next class. Is this clear? Hopefully it is clear. Yes, so chalo, first I want to welcome all new children, and now they are also part of this Art Geo family. Our family is increasing and expanding day by day. I am very thankful to Almighty God. And now without delay we will start this work. Today we will be learning doodle and mandala. In our last class while drawing the artwork, I tried to make it clear, but mandala art patterns were left, so today we will finish it, okay. So now see, we can make patterns either directly with color, and you can use your sketch pen colors or brush pen colors, both we are going to use, and we will complete this artwork. So last class with letters and numbers we completed drawing, and then second step, that is giving outlines, we completed. Now your drawing is ready to color. So before starting your coloring, one more thing you will take care of, and that is you will, just a minute, I have few lines were left. Yes, you will erase all unwanted lines. So the first step is making drawing with pencil. Second step, giving outlines either with sketch pen, brush pen, marker pen. Third step is erasing unwanted lines. You will take eraser and erase unwanted lines. Wherever you can see some lines of pencil, you erase, okay. Now see, we are going to start with mandala patterns. So if you feel that you are not confident enough making patterns directly with colors, then I will suggest you all to draw it with pencil first, and afterwards you can move your color, है ना. So chalo, let's get started with. So I will be taking my first color, and that is yellow, and I want to do yellow in my very first layer of the artwork, okay. So chalo, now let's get started. So we will take a brush pen and we will start with the detailed pattern, and as this is going to be mandala, so here the pattern will, we will go for repeated patterns, and repeatedly we will make the patterns. So chalo, let's get started. So for making these patterns we will try something very simple, and for that what you can do, you can simply make a parallel line, you can, otherwise we can make some simple patterns. Let's go for this V-shaped pattern. Now those who are not able to use, those who are not confident enough, I will suggest them to draw it with pencil, and those who feel that they can do this, although the patterns which we would be making are going to be quite simple, we are going to use quite simple patterns, but still your uniform patterns, it should be uniform. If the patterns would be big or small, so the artwork will not look that good. So you are supposed to see and go for a thick yellow line inside. You can go for thick yellow line inside. If you feel you want to make one more line, you can go for one more line inside. Some striped patterns. Don't worry, I will take a pause of 2 to 3 minutes so that you can finish this much. So only this upper part, this upper portion, and try to make even your lines equally thick, and very carefully, your line should be complete. When you are working on detailed patterns, make sure neatness should be maintained, otherwise it will look like a mess up. So I simply add one more circle inside, and make some stripes this way. So I'll take a pause of 2 minutes so that you all could make the patterns. If you are not confident, then I will suggest and strongly suggest to draw the patterns with pencil first and then move your color. ठीक है? I will take help of my sketch pen after this. And last class, the story was still like Siddharth, son of King Shuddhodhan. And after listening to the forecasting that when the child, this son, Siddharth, will see some unfavorable, uncomfortable situation, sadness, unhappiness, misery in world, will leave the palace, leave everything and go away from kingdom. So Shuddhodhan started taking care that everything should be luxurious, comfortable and happy, and this kind of scenario was created in palace itself. So Siddharth was not supposed to go out, everyone was coming inside palace, and so that Siddharth could be kept away from any sort of uncomfortable, miserable condition. Can I check the work? Will you please lift up files and show how it is done? Everyone? Shabash, it's a lovely and beautiful work. Very nice. This is a color medium we are going to use today. We will be using brush pens, sketch pens and plastic crayons. These are the color mediums we are going to use today. And for some earbud dots, we could use earbud and watercolors. Now I will take my orange color and I will add some patterns here. So what I can add, what kind of pattern I can add? I can make one more line. With sketch pen, what will happen? Your lines will be more thin. So you can add more detailed patterns. So with sketch pen, I will add little more detailing. So first I am going to make a shape of V, and after that I can make a circle in this V. Make sure your each and every design, each and every shape you are making with patience and with perfection. Otherwise it will look very untidy and will look like a mess up, as I told you before also. Okay? And upper side, like all these blocks which we have upper side, there I will be, you can make more parallel lines, more V, and 3 times or 2 times you can make V. If you are not able to make it 3 times, at least make 2 times, 1 time as outline of the outer V, and 1 times we already write. So this is the way you will add more detailing according to, and if you want to add some other pattern, you are free with your patterns. But in mandala art, make sure the pattern will be repeated all around. It could not, it should not be like somewhere you are making some other pattern, somewhere some other pattern. Your pattern should be uniform all over. So see here, inner portion I will make V inside V and 3 parallel lines for making V, and as my sketch pen, with sketch pen you will be able to do it this ways. So the life was happy, and one incident I shared last class also. Devdutt, cousin of Siddharth, they were playing in royal garden, and suddenly one swan who was flying, a snow white swan flying in the sky, captured attention of Devdutt, and Devdutt immediately shoot and with arrow, and this bird fell down, wounded bird fell down and started bleeding. It fell down near Siddharth, and Siddharth immediately picked up this swan, went to water pond and took out that arrow, that tir, and started washing the wound so that can put some medicine. Okay, now after this I am going to make a floral pattern. Can I check this much? Will you please lift up files and show the work? Now here again you are free with your patterns. You can try your own patterns, and I want to check the work. Shabash, it's so lovely and so amazing. Very good. Now I'm going to make flowers, and now I will be making flower. For making flower, you can either go for pink or some other color also. So let us see if we could go for some other color. We have this beautiful I will take a red color or even green color could be taken, or this beautiful violet color I have. So we can take this also, and I will add some floral pattern. So I will make a circle here, and touching the line of this, I will try to make one big petal in center and two small petals downwards. Okay, see, I will show you one more time. I will make a circle, then a big drop shape you will make first, and then two more small dots here. And so we used little bright color, and try to keep, you can keep turning your file and keep rotating your file for completing this. Okay, same here. And you will finish it. Same here, you will go for a drop, and this is the way you will finish. Okay, yeah, very carefully you will do this. So one day what happened, like when Siddharth asked that this is innocent bird and why you did this, because of you, see this bird is bleeding and is in pain. So Devdutt said, so what, it's a bird and I wanted it dead, and that's why I simply shot it, and please give it to me, it's mine, because I'm the one who shot it, who hunt it, and I have on this bird, it's my right. So Siddharth told that no, I saved this bird, and I simply washed the wound and put medicine. This bird belonged to me. Siddharth wanted to keep this bird with him because he was knowing that if he will hand over this bird to Devdutt, so Devdutt will not take care, and this bird will die in the end. So this way they started arguing and quarreling, and finally they decided to reach to King Shuddhodhan for judgment, final judgment, and they both reached to King Shuddhodhan. So see, here we completed second round, and now I add a floral pattern, and if you want to use any other pattern you can use. Okay, you are free to use any other pattern also, and with orange color I will simply finish this part. Thick line you can make, and we simply add a pattern, repetitive pattern here. Okay, so this first layer, second layer is done. We add a very small layer here inside also. This is second layer. Now third layer I will use red, and I will try to use colors of energy. Red, orange, yellow, these are color of energy, and when we are talking about god and goddesses, so they are energy, and we get energy, they are source of energy. So I will put this red outline all around. You can keep turning your paper so that you can move your color comfortably. You can even turn it upside down. And you will finish it this way. Okay, and now we will complete last portion also, and we are supposed to decide that which particular pattern we will love to keep. So floral, as I told you, floral, spiral, any kind of pattern you can add. So I will take my red color and I will add some standing, 3 lines and spiral. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, है ना, 5 lines, and then you will try to make a circle. See, you will make a circle. Just 1 minute I want your attention. See here. 1 minute I want you all to see here. You will draw a circle, and where your circle finish, you will write a 6. This kind of round 6, and make sure you will make it very carefully. Otherwise, you can do one thing, you can take help of pencil. You draw it first and then you will complete. And if you are using colors directly, make sure your each and every line, your each and every circle should be uniform and perfect. A circle and a 6 inside. I am going to use this pattern outside. Okay? Can I check the work? Will you please lift up files and show me your work? And I can see like many children want me to wait for little time. Okay, I'll take a pause of 2 minutes so that you all can finish this much, and then we will move ahead. Okay? Yeah, 2 minutes pause. So if your little pattern is left or little part of making lines and all is left, you can finish that. So I will move ahead in my story. So when they reached to King Suddhodhan and asked whom this bird should belong, the one who want to kill or the one who want to save. And so after listening both the cases, Shuddhodhan decided the one who is saving is having the right over bird, है ना, because मारने वाले से बचाने वाला बड़ा है ना. तो one who is savior is bigger and greater than the one who want to kill. And finally, this way is this Hans, the swan was handed over to Siddharth. Siddharth put medicine, took good care, and finally the care and compassion of Siddharth made this bird heal sooner, and finally bird reached to its family flying in the sky. So your love and compassion, and Lord Buddha taught us about love and compassion. And one more thing like we learn from Buddhism is this life is for a purpose, not to complain and blame, and spread love and compassion everywhere. Be respectful. Everyone is respectful. Don't disrespect even a single human life. Chalo, now I will return back. Can I check the work? Will you please lift up files? Yes, shabash, very good work. Now I will complete all these in all directions. 5 lines, then carefully a circle. See, repeatedly when you make a pattern, your brain is actually getting exercise of it. And as your brain is getting, see, your each line should be complete. And it should never be like in a hurry you are making lines and incomplete lines. It will make your artwork looking more untidy. So the line should be proper, stable, parallel, and nicely you will complete this pattern outside. These all patterns could be used for Mehndi design also. Mehndi is again a doodle art, kind of doodle art. We simply make some patterns and then we fill some designs inside. In Mehndi also we do this. So I will return back to my story. So this way the Siddharth was very sensitive, very kind-hearted, compassionate. So one day what happened, the Sarthi of the chariot, he said, please take me out, I want to see what is happening outside, and he set out for a journey. And for the first time he was able to see men who, this kind of men he never looked before, and like the very pale, very weak, not able to walk even. And then he asked Sarthi that, Sarthi, what kind of this creature, I've never seen this kind of creature before. So Sarthi replied, this is very old men and we all will grow old one day. So we are going to become like this only. This is going to be our condition. So Sarthi replied, yes, this is cycle, life cycle. We are young today, but one day will come when we will be very weak. And this man was coughing. So was sick also. So, like for the first time, this kind of man who was looking sick, unhappy, pale and weak, Siddharth was able to see. Then they move ahead and was able to see like few ladies, they were weeping and crying bitterly. Then he asked, and a dead body was kept in front. So Siddhartha asked, what is happening here? Why they are weeping and crying so bitterly? Sathi replied, because her beloved one is dead. Dead? What do it mean? It means no more. And this is a fact of life. We all will have to die one day. So these all things move the heart of Siddharth. And Siddharth wanted to know that why this kind of pattern life is having. And like the people who were crying bitterly, that man who was looking so sad and unhappy because he was not running good health, was extremely old aged, and I was wanted to know the answer, like how to be happy from within. And these all things disturbed him from deep within. Achha, during this time, just to make sure that he should never leave this village, this place, King Shuddhodhan found for a perfect match a beautiful princess, Yashodhara, extremely beautiful and wise, and married both of them. And they had a son also, name is Rahul. Okay. So see, this is the way we complete mandala. We add parallel patterns. And here this is called doodle, because here the patterns are just to fill the things, not for like not in parallel patterns. Okay, can I check the work? Will you please lift up files and show the work? So this way we completed mandala. Shabash, the patterns are beautifully done, excellent implementation. Now we will come on this middle portion. Okay, so chalo, now let's complete it. So we are going to take skin color. Take out your skin color and your orange color. So I have a beautiful orange, this fluorescent orange color. So I will prefer and love using it. Okay, and I will start with skin color for making face. Okay, so before this I will take my red color and I will put this tika with red color. Ready? You hopefully all must have done this. If little patterns are left, as they are parallel patterns, leave them and come on coloring part now. Now you will take your skin color. Now we are talking about, as I told you about, the color medium we prefer using is plastic crayons, because it is having balanced amount of wax and oil, and output is very even and beautiful. So you will hold your color. Let's learn how to hold your color. You will hold your color exactly the way you hold your pencil for writing. है ना, द वे यू होल्ड योर पेन, एग्जैक्टली दैट वे. जैसे आप पेंसिल को पकड़ते हैं ना, बिल्कुल वैसे ही अपने कलर को पकड़ना है. एंड नाउ यू विल स्टार्ट डूइंग कलर्स. तो आई विल स्टार्ट माई कलरिंग फ्रॉम दिस कॉर्नर. Start your coloring from a corner and don't change direction. You will keep moving your color in one direction. Repeat every stroke 4 times. Don't pressurize your color. And don't change direction of color. Reach to every corner of the artwork and finish your work this way. Standing lines. You will see I will not change direction. And I will go for this kind of standing lines. Complete. When you don't change direction, you move your color in one direction and repeat every stroke 4 times. Don't pressurize your color. You find amazing and beautiful output. Okay. So now I will complete this portion also, this middle portion also. Okay, and this little middle portion, little of this middle portion we will complete with skin color, because ears these are, so just to connect it with skin color, this middle part I will put little skin color, and rest all I am going to make colorful. Okay. Now after making this, first you will take black and you will complete eyeball and you can make your lines little more darker, because after giving outlines they are looking little dull. So you can move your sketch pen, brush pen again for making your lines darker. And now you are going to take your second color, that is orange. I have fluorescent orange, and you will move your orange color all around. Just softly you will, and even eyelid, on eyelid also you will move it, and all over you are going to put this color softly, a touch up of it, just a soft outline of it above eyelid and on the sides, this side, even in ears you can put little mixing of this color on both the side, and this is the way you will add little of orange all over. ठीक है. Crown you can make colorful, and you can use some colors, and the combination should be beautiful so that you can make it colorful. I will use light pink, light green, this kind of colors which will not hide even this particular part with pink color. Golden we will avoid, although we could have made it golden also, but yellow color already we used around, so we will try to make our crown little more colorful. So I will use pink and this kind of color, pink, purple, violet, this kind of colors I will use, and try to make this looking beautiful. Can I check the work? Will you please lift up files and show your work? Yeah, so now what we are going to do in this complete crown, we will simply fill some colors, beautiful colors, and a dark pink is again a color which Lord like cloths normally of dark pink color. This is a royal color, magenta color is a royal color, purple is again a royal color, and here now we are going to use white as a color. Okay, so I made this of this color, and upper portion I will be making with red or violet color. Even dark green color also I have. I will prefer using dark green upper side. So ears I will try to keep quite colorful, but white stripe I will not disturb. I will keep it white all over, just with outlines. White is again a beautiful color, and in doodle art you can give it a place without. So see, around flower I left it white, and if your main outlines like it hide, you can move your brush pen one more time to highlight those lines if you feel that your lines are looking dull after moving your color. We will use red again for making circles and just lines around. Again in this also we will use red here and red for completing this, and middle circles we are going to keep white. You can try red here also, and this is the way I will try to make complete crown quite colorful. You can either copy the colors which I am using, or you can try your own color scheme, but make sure that don't use all the colors very I can use brown color for showing hair because lines are already black. So with brown the texture of hair will automatically come. So don't leave it white, fill some colors, and yeah, this is the way you will complete it. So here using this method we simply add some patterns in doodle art and completed our Lord Ganesha. Okay. We are going to use a color in center and around lower side so that we can highlight. Now flowers, we want to complete flowers. So what I will do, I will take my blue color. You can take your dark blue color also if you want, and you will start moving your color in one direction from here. You will start moving in one direction. So you will take your dark blue color, hold your color exactly the way you hold your pencil, and start making standing lines from here. Standing lines from here, and leave your lotus white. Okay, leave your lotus white. Make sure you will hold your color exactly the way you hold your pencil. Go for small strokes. You will not pressurize your color. You will not change direction of colors, and this is the way you will start moving blue color with standing lines all over lower portion. And this lower portion we will do with this color. We could try some other color also if you want to try dark pink or some other colors just to connect it with water, and I decided to use this color. So with standing lines you will try to finish the lower portion. Here the tusk which we have, the portion around, then again you will start with standing lines. Here the most important thing is this, you will not change direction. You know what, my dear children, when you move your color in one direction, you start it from a corner, so you don't need to change direction. And when you move your color in one direction, and when you go for small strokes, the colors are completely in your command. You will see they will not go out of outlines. You will be able to manage with neatness easily. So see, this is the way you will start moving your color with standing lines, and in abstract way, like where you finish lotus, in lower portion you will finish this face. You can see I'm moving my color in one direction. Okay, come on, let's do this. And now I'm using plastic crayons. So let's use plastic crayons. And be very much careful, your color should not go in lotus flower and even the Lord Ganesha's drawing which we already have done. And you will try to cover up this middle portion using this technique. Okay, you will try to keep it this ways. All around. So Siddharth was so much moved with this kind of sad incidents he was able to see, and the question which was always there deep within, and that this aging, sickness, death, birth, like why one human life is into it and giving suffering, and why we all are having different challenges, why we all have different sufferings, and is there any solution? Are we born to suffer or are we born to be happy? Where is true happiness? What is the purpose of life? What is the learning of life? With all these questions, he left the home, and he kept roaming in search of truth, that from where it could, and finally, but he was not able to find reply of his questions anywhere. See, this ways you will keep moving, and you will come till half of the circle. Half of the circle you will come standing lines, and upper side I will use fluorescent orange color, green color, any color you can try. You can even use your color of brush pen also. So I will prefer using dark pink or some other color. Green will also look great. So see, here we completed, and can you see I am moving my color with small strokes, with patience, repeating every stroke 4 times. I completed. this is the way I completed blue lower side. If you want to do it with brush pen, you can even do it with brush pen. Okay, but little the output of plastic crayon is slightly different than that of this. Come on, do this. And the darker colors out all around will give it a more beautiful look. Small strokes, don't pressurize your color, but repeat every stroke 4 times. And with patience you will have to do this. And till here, like you will complete blue. And flowers I want to make milky pink, soft pink. You can go for bright pink also. I will be using soft pink color, red you can try, and a purple you can try, any color. I will be using soft pink color, and I will simply give outlines, or you can fill colors inside. I am using brush pen for this. Light color, because our background is quite dark blue color we used. So light color will look better, and if you want to leave it white, so you can leave it white also, but I will prefer using color. And I will make this complete lotus flower with milky pink color. And if you want to use dark pink, red, any orange, now see if you are free with your color experiments for this kind of artwork. Okay, fill it nicely, move your color in one direction, and never leave your brush pens open. Immediately put its cap. Okay. You can turn your file upside down. I will wait so that you all can finish, and then we will move ahead. I'll take a pause of 2 minutes. Okay, come on, finish this. So we will add some dark colors in background, and with dark colors what will happen, this mandala in which we kept white background will get highlighted. So we will use some beautiful bright colors, and upper side if you have some fluorescent colors you can go for it. Dark pink is again a lovely color, so we can even go for dark pink. Otherwise even green will look great. So any color of your choice you can go. You can even use your plastic crayons also for giving the background. So finally, beneath the tree in Bodhi Gaya, he was awakened, he was enlightened one, and he was able to understand that power of being victorious and being happy, secret of being happy is nowhere outside, it is within you only. And this is a cycle like life, and every creature of nature. So change is part of life. So we need to understand this, that this is very important this change is very important phenomena of the life. Now we are going to use some color for background. I will select, we can go for orange also, and we can go for this fluorescent orange also, and you can try some other color also, red or some color of this kind could also be tried. I will select this color. This is fluorescent orange color, and I will go for this upper side. Again my technique is going to be the same. Move your color in one direction, repeat every stroke 4 times, continue, don't pressurize your color, but yes, repeat your every stroke 4 times. This is the way you will put colors upper side. You can turn your file upside down and finish it. Okay, the moment you will add some this kind of colors around, and this middle yellow, we will make it completely yellow. Okay, so this mandala, which is just patterns on white surface, will look more appealing. So when you add dark colors all around, so white color become more prominent and more eye catching. So see, this is the way I add blue color below to show water as we add lotus flowers. We could have tried purple or some other color also. Red would also look great if you, for with colors you are free. You can try your own colors, you can do experiments with your own colors. So see, I selected these two colors and small strokes, one direction technique we will use. And complete background we will color this ways. Okay, I'll take a pause of 2 minutes so that you all can finish this much. Okay, so here let me remind you, let me explain you one more time. This is mandala art, parallel patterns, repeated patterns, same patterns we keep repeating. This is mandala, and here the patterns which we use for making Lord Ganesha is doodle, है ना, mandala and doodle. अच्छा, what ways they are going to support your artwork? So see, even though your artwork is very simple, like here see, we simply made Lord Ganesha's face and we kept it very simple. But because of doodle art in background, we add some patterns in mukut and ears, and now this complete drawing is looking more detailed, more creative, more eye-catchy. So this is magic of mandala. The moment you attach mandala and doodle art, you just go decorate your object, and even though it is a very simple figure, but with help and doodle and mandala, we don't use any technical patterns. These are simple geometric patterns, standing lines, sleeping lines, and curved lines. The patterns are very simple, but the mandala and doodle created with help of simple patterns will add a very mature, very detailed and very creative look to your artwork. Even though simple artwork supported with mandala and doodle look very special and creative. So this is the benefit of mandala and doodle art. Okay. Can I check the work? Will you please lift up files and show your work? And this ways we completed the whole background. Okay, I will shift my paper as I got message. Hopefully the full view is visible now. Shabash, very good. It's beautifully done work. I love it completely. And now you will take yellow and you can fill this complete middle portion with yellow. Let's add a color here. And that's why we kept the crown of Lord Ganesha colorful. Otherwise we could have used yellow color for making it looking golden. I will simply use this color, or yellow you can try here. Just a parallel line with brush pen. Don't fill inside, let it be white from within. Okay. Yes. So now see, the coloring part is over. Now we will put little more detailing with help of earbud and cotton. So you will see with a little of touch up which we would add with earbud and color will make it looking more beautiful. Okay, so chalo now be ready with your earbud and color. So I want to add blue color or orange, or I have many more beautiful green color. Let's take green. Green I will add around. I can add some green dots backside and white or yellow dots here. White or yellow dots here you can add. So let's take your color and earbud. Okay, but before this I want to check the work once, and I can see many thumbs down. Okay, I'll give a time of 2 to 3 minutes so that you all can finish this much. Even messages like I can read, wait. Yeah, and I can read few messages like you. Yes, you can try colors of your choice. Yes, and if you want to connect it somewhere with India, and an Indian festival it is, and in India like Samohik, Sarvajanik Ganesh Jayanti and all this, Ganesh Chaturthi we celebrate. So you can connect it with tricolors. You can try tricolors also, or in background you can add tricolors. Any concept, any drawing, if you want to connect it with nation, India, so simply go for tricolor scheme and it will automatically be uh, mm, become the part of that. Okay. Yes, you all finish this. I will wait for a little more time and then we will switch on to earbud technique. And in background, as you can see, I move my color in one direction. Yes, so after getting enlightenment, Lord Buddha write a sutra and the name of the sutra is Pundarik Sutra. We know is Lotus Sutra. Pundarik, it means lotus. And according to it, whatever you have in your life, only you are the one who can solve it. And victory for being victory. You have ultimate power, unlimited power of universe within you, but you will have to untap it so that you can use it and you can report victories. For that you will have to erase complaint and grudges, and be respectful. The people who are disrespectful to anyone, they never get protection of universe. And to be respectful to each and everyone. Every human life is special, and a value, have lots of gratitude, have lots of respect for people around, lots of gratitude for everyone, है ना, and work hard. Human revolution is work hard. Whatever you want to achieve, you will have to work hard for that. And I suppose you want to come first in exams, you are getting poor marks, so start working hard. And it's not like you are praying and you are not having complaint and grudges. It's okay, but with that hard work is also something which you should have. Okay, so this is all about. And can I check the work? Will you please lift up files and show your work? It's so beautiful, so amazingly. And the color scheme which you tried, like many of you tried red, many of you tried green, different colors. It's really looking great. And many of you tried rainbow colors also. Wow, how creative you are. Shabash. Now what you will do, you will take your earbud and you can take your yellow color or you can take your white, and if you have any other milky color you can even try that. So I will add some dots here as we want to show it as water, and a lotus we showed, to add some white, and this white should not be very watery. With earbud you will find perfect dots, and try to add white dots all around. And your color should not be watery, very prominent it should be, and this is the way we add some dots here around. Okay, if you want to use any other color, you can definitely try some other color also. Again, it will look as if a doodle art kind of pattern we add. It will look like that. Okay? Because simple dotted patterns, this is again part of doodle art. I will love to put some green dots in orange, which I showed on the top. Come on, finish white dots. I can see with lots of care, lots of attention. And our children, they are doing their work. So we will simply yes, I am waiting. I'll give you time of 2 minutes so that you all can finish, and then we will switch on to green. Okay. Yeah, done? Yes? Okay, I can see a few more thumbs down. Yes, so very carefully you will hold your earbud in standing position and carefully you can add this. If you feel you want to add more patterns inside, and some dots in one, you want to add some dots all around this circle, so you can try all this. It will make your work looking more detailed. We will simply add some dots below and some dots upper side. For that you can even turn your file upside down. Okay. And I will be using green for making some more dots upper side. You can either go for 3 dots, bunches of 3 dots or one single dot. Have you done? Yes? Done, my dear children? Shall we move ahead? Okay, so now we will start with green. So you will take your green color, open your green, and the same earbud you can use for green. So if you feel that with green you first want to decorate your artwork, you want to put green somewhere, you can. So I don't have any space of that kind. So I will start with dots all around red. One, and very carefully you will make dots all around, and will try to make sure it should look uniform size and very carefully on uniform distance. And this is the way you will finish them. Okay, one more detailed outer pattern we want to add. So yes, very carefully till you have red you will add this. You can try some other color also. Multiple colors also could be tried, like somewhere green, somewhere pink, red, orange, like lots of experiments you can do. Lots of experiments. And here I will not take my color very watery, because the impact otherwise would be very light and we want the impact very dark. So that's why I am not taking much water and I am completing this. Very carefully hold your earbud on 90-degree angle so that you will find round impression. And you will finish this ways. Okay, dark pink, dark blue, this kind of colors also could be used, and multiple colors also. And see, this is the way. You will finish your circles all around. You can keep turning your file accordingly. Come on, finish this, and then we will add few more dots on upper side. This is your choice now. If you want to add, you can. Otherwise, you can even leave it or skip this part. Okay? So if you want to go for 2 times this kind of layers, you can. Finish this, and then we will add few more dots on upper side, and then our artwork would be done. So here you can see with so many techniques and different efforts we tried this, and this kind of dots we could have add even in the mandala inside. Okay? Done. When you all will show your thumbs up, then only I will add dots in background. Okay? Finish this very carefully, and make sure that your each dot should look round and complete. Okay? with earbud you will find this kind of beautiful lines. So that Pundarik Sutra, है ना, that is Lotus Sutra, is even today like giving us light of hope that there is nothing impossible in this world, है ना. If you want to be victorious or if you want to achieve anything, that power is within you. If you want to be happy, then that power is within you. And nothing is outside. Everything is within you, and you are as powerful as this universe is. And the most beautiful lines which this Pundarik Sutra gave to us is, till the moment you are determined to be victorious, each nerve and fiber within you and outside in the universe will work in the same direction. And the moment you give up, everything within you and outside will also give up. Okay, so take this green color, and if you want to use some other color you can, but again these 3 dots I will use here, and I will simply fill this upper portion with some patterns which will come in category of doodle. ठीक है, तो this is mandala and this is doodle, because we are simply making some patterns for filling the space. Okay, so dots are same, method is same, but one is part of mandala and one is part of doodle. So the purpose behind covering up this topic is clearing that doubt, like children are having very much confused between these 2 art forms because they look same. Okay, and now you can say my artwork is complete. Okay, this is your complete artwork. Okay, now if you feel that even here you want to add some patterns to show water, so you could, like, you can make it as detailed as you want. And I want to check the work. I'm eagerly waiting to see how it turn up on your paper. Will you please show me how it's looking? And here, as I have little color here, so I will simply make a green stripe here so that I can use this available space, available color on my earbud. Okay, now it's so lovely, and the way, like the selection of colors and your experiments, they are truly praiseworthy. I love it completely. Excellent and beautiful work. Now you will share your artwork with you on WhatsApp and your feedback. Okay, and please do share your name also. You all have done excellent work. The detailing which we add in mandala and doodle is looking great. You try to do it beautifully and neatly. Okay, so please do share your artwork and revise this artwork with help of recorded session. And immediately after a few hours you will find the recording available. And with this I will wind up class. If you like the class and the story, please show me your thumbs up with Badi Wali smile. Thank you. And with this I will wind up class. Lots of blessings. Bye bye. Take care.